I will this new video. Today I'm going to explain about Hug Sleep reviews and know if this product is a legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our product. If you have never ordered anything or this product, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question: should I buy this product or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this product, then watch this video till end. I will share the way to get your money back. Talking about this product, like who doesn't needs to pamper themselves or want something like which feels like hugging them while sleeping. So this product is exactly what you have been dreamed of. It is basically a cocoon shaped, garment which you can it is a sleeping pod which you can just wrap around yourself and sleep. It just hugs your body very warmly, and you can sleep very peacefully in this. Talking about its price, this product is priced at $79.9, which is seems to be pretty much expensive, but then again it seems to worth of money when you can have a sleep which is full of peace. The payment method, talking about the size, it is available in various sizes. For women it is 00 to 4, 6 to 12 for medium, 14 to 22 for large, and therefore the sizes are available, different sizes are available for men's as well. So what are the specialities of this? Talking about further specialities, I request you all to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative video. Now let's talk about more important things on which we can judge this product as a scam or legit. So this product is have to be seen in a very warm color, that is gray. Yeah, it is available in only one color, and the material of this product is very soft. After we see the description, we can make out that this is very, like when you wear it all around you, it gives you a calming pressure which will help you in sleeping very relaxed. It will relax your entire body. It will cover, which will not let any kind of, it would be a blessing in the winter season. So yeah, this is a very good product to be have in your wardrobe. Its material is very soft and breathable. Now the best thing is it is handmade by the countries like USA, and I must say that this type of products are very popular in Canada and United States only. The best thing about this product is it is easy to handle or care. You can easily machine wash it, and yes, you are done. Now you can see, by wearing this all around you, you can sleep like a baby, carefree. You can just put your body inside it, and yeah, that's good to go. Now this is what this product talking about customer reviews. The customer reviews of this product seems to be like, mixed kind of reviews, but then again it is above 3 stars, so yeah, we can go for it. And if you have any views regarding this product, then please let us know. Talking about, I told you this is about this, its customer reviews. About it being scam or legit, I would say this product is scam, but this product is a pretty too expensive to buy. If you're looking for such products, you can find various alternatives as well. So we request our readers, though this product appears to be legit, but we still request our readers to go through a research before buying this product. Now, but then again, we can't say. So if you have experienced any kind of scam by this website, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thoughts about this video. We read all of your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe.